I am thinking about her. I am learning my lesson. Don't create problems. He light the candle. I'm writing a letter. Anything else? We can never be friends. He is purchasing new home. He is looking for job. What is the problem? I am eating meal. Ali is preparing for exams. He is stealing. I'm traveling. No problem. Sleep well. Stay at home. I'm running. Take my advice. We all are ready. I don't ask. Don't waste my time. I'm sweating. Put out the candle. I am saying something. I have many friends. Don't pluck the flower. He is staring at me. She is good at English. I miss you. He is crying. Are you ready? The vehicle is moving fast. I am blushing. I am helping him. He is parking the car. Do you have any friend?